Hello guys, this is Wasim, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you about graphic design trends for 2018. Let's get started. The first trend is vibrant colors. In this we're gonna see bright and bold colors that making the most important trends for 2018, which using the bright neon eye-catching color combinations. Trend number 2, bright gradient. Gradient are making their modern day comeback in bolder and bigger way. You will be seeing them in the form of vibrant UI, branding, backgrounds and illustration. Trend number 3, semi-flat design. If you are a minimal design lover, then semi-flat design is for you. It adds more dimension to your project that using shadows to create depth. Trend number 4, elements of geometric. This is one of my favorite trend of using geometric elements in your design, such as triangle, square or other shapes can make your design projects look more unforgettable. Trend number 5, duotones. It is going to be the hottest trend this year. You can mix bold colors with your images to create unforgettable design. Trend number 6, custom illustration. You can use hand-drawn illustration or simple drawings element. It will give a personal touch to your design. Trend number 7, illustration with photography. Most amazing trend for 2018. You can combine illustration with photography. It can give unique and modern look to your design by using hand-drawn elements to your photo to make it stand out. Trend number 8, patterns. Using 80s and 90s geometric pattern with bold colors to rock your designs. Trend number 9, real photography. Stock photos is also in trend this year. More real photography will rule. Trend number 10, single color. We have seen many single colors design since last year. This trend will be more popular this year with using same background color as the product. Trend number 11, bold typography. Bold typography also give clear and strong message. It make your design stand out. Trend number 12, detail vintage. Vintage is not something new, but this trend will remain strong this year. The desire of minimalism, finely crafted logos, illustrations are timeless. Trend number 13, popping colors. Popping colors are the star this year. Mix it with pattern, geometric shapes, bold colors can give bright and fresh feeling to any design. Trend number 14, intersecting elements. This trend is using bold typography that intersect with shapes and graphics to create the best designs. Trend number 15, double exposure. This is the most popular trend from last year and will stay this year. It involves duotone colors and multiple images to create interesting artwork at your design. Trend number 16, retro modern illustration. It's both modern and retro illustration. This trend combined with sleek line of modern vectors with color palettes and illustration. Trend number 17, background pattern. Using the different icons and patterns as a background of image or design will be the trend this year. These are icon or custom illustration that make design to the next level. Trend number 18, 80s color palette and patterns. In this trend, there will be a lot of pink and blue color will be used. I hope you like this video informative. Please do subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you and see you soon.